Hello everyone, welcome. What do Turks eat before fasting in Ramadan? Turkish Sahur food types, hearty breakfast foods for fasting. Since we will not eat anything for 17 hours, we prefer hearty and light foods. Egg is the most important food source. Boiled for 5 minutes does not cause any discomfort to the stomach and is very filling. 1 egg is enough for one person, a little olive oil and a little salt. A healthy food, tahini and molasses mixture that keeps you full for a long time. If you are using a quality real tahini, it will be more solid when you add a little water. For fasting, we need to choose foods that will not make you thirsty as they should be full. For this, it is necessary to keep the ratio of grape molasses low. Curd cheese, a type of cheese rich in protein, calcium and phosphorus. Very low salt content, filling and very healthy cheese. Classic white cheese, low salt and delicious light cheese. Green olive. You may remember from the previous video, pita with tahini and poppy for Ramadan pita and sahur. When rotated in the microwave for 10 seconds, the bread will be soft like cotton. It would be good to add a juicy tomato and cucumber along with such dry foods. Walnuts, a food source rich in energizing omega-3. We use odd numbers like dates, 1 for one person, or 3, or 5 for one person. Dried fruits such as dried apricots or dried figs are fine. Oatmeal is high in nutrients and low in calories, very assertive about giving a feeling of satiety. You can choose to add some honey and milk to it. Boiled potato. Ramadan sherbet as a cold drink, low sugar and healthy natural drinks. Black tea as a hot drink, but black tea causes you to remove water from the body. If you drink 1 cup of tea, you need to drink water in a glass. We have these varieties in the healthy breakfast menu that gives a feeling of satiety to fast Ramadan. Of course, it can be in different recipes for Broduct varieties or eggs. It can be potato salad, soup or hot food varieties. If you want to learn very good recipes for breakfast, I recommend you to take a look at the traditional Turkish breakfast varieties video series. see you again in a new video. Goodbye.